Hi guys, welcome back to another one of my videos. Today in this video, I'm going to be trying to make a slime out of this jar in 2 minutes. And I have my timer, I have all my stuff that I am going to need. And now I just have to choose. I got glossy slime, so I can get my stuff. Glue, activator, foam soap. I'm gonna do it blue, lotion, dish soap, and I'll just use a little bit of shampoo. Okay, so I have all my stuff. I am going to get ready to go in 3, 2, 1. Guys, my foam soap's not coming out. Okay. A minute left. Dude, this is so sticky. "45 seconds. "30 seconds. "20 seconds. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I can make it. "13 seconds. 10. Okay, so I finished it in the time, which is pretty good. Now I'm going to show you guys. It's pretty glossy, and I used all my ingredients. I used them all. Now time for the next slime. And guys, I'm putting all my slimes that I made over in a container, and I'm going to do a slime smoothie at the end. So I got it. And this was a slime that I had on the side, and it looks like an egg, and it feels like one too. Okay, next slime is going to be butter slime. I get to make some butter slime in 2 minutes. The green butter slime, because I like green, it's okay. And just gonna shake up the activator a little bit better, because it doesn't seem like it's working. So I need this. I'm just gonna use all my ingredients from last time except dish soap and foam soap. So lotion, shampoo, and I don't think I need food coloring. Okay, ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Fast, fast, fast. That should be enough activator, shouldn't it? That was a lot. This is so sticky. A minute and 20 seconds. I'm gonna add clay because I think that will help it not be as sticky. Guys, I just love clay. Okay, that was a bad stretch. Okay, mix in my clay. Guys, I have 50 seconds left and I already added the clay. I have to add all my ingredients though, so I still have to add shampoo and lotion. Some lotion, shampoo, 30 seconds. Guys, it smells so good. It smells like coconut. It's green and it smells like coconut. Because my lotion is coconut butter and my shampoo is coconut. 10 seconds. 3, 2, 1, done. So I finished just in time. Here's it up close. It's pretty nice. And I am going to stretch it. Slide it. It slides good. So it is a butter slime. It's stretchy. Okay, this goes into our bucket of slime. Here's what it looks like so far. And one more slime. It is going to be, and my finger. Oh, I grabbed clay again. I have to make another clay slime. I am going to make it yellow. It's a kind of gross looking clay, but I think when I add it in with the slime, it won't be as bad. So, 3, 2, 1, go. Mix, mix, mixy, 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 mixy. I have the Bubble Guppy song stuck in my head because actually, I don't know why. I think my brothers sing it a lot, and they're 12, so I need to mix it. 1 minute and 20 seconds left, guys. Minute 10. Okay, I'm gonna add the clay because it seemed to help when I added the clay before when it was still a little sticky. Okay, so it's not the best color, but it's also not the worst color. Need more activator. 30 seconds. Have to add my lotion and a little shampoo because I had the same as last time, the same ingredients. 20 seconds. 19, 18. Oh, it smells so good. I wish that you could like record and then you could smell what it smells like as it smells really good. Okay, I'm finished and there's still 2 seconds left. Okay, I finished my last slime. I am going to, I just got some glue in it, but it will be fine. I'm going to put it in the bucket. See how cool this is? Gonna do a close up. Just mushing it on the side so it looks cooler. And okay. Now I am going to take it out and it looks cool. Now I am going to swirl this awesomeness to you guys. It looks so cool. this looks cool. Dude, it's turning green. Oh, that makes sense. It was yellow and blue and green. It's like kind of a gross color green. I don't know why, but on my camera it shows that it's lighter than what it is, but it's actually a little darker than what the camera shows. So this is pretty good. It's not glossy at all because it's a clay slime, but it does feel really clayey, and it spreads and it stretches. And I really like it. Comment down below if you like small or big slimes. Or medium. I like medium slimes. Like, it's not too big, but it's not too small. I do like playing with tiny ones though too. And make sure to go check out my Instagram at Once Upon a Slime Girls. It will be somewhere down below, and it is really good. And I have slimes for sale on there, and custom made slimes that I can make for you guys. And don't forget to subscribe and give this a thumbs up. Bye.